With conditional formatting, you can visually edit controls such as shapes, fonts, or diagrams when a certain condition is met. You can give each element on your screen an infinite number of rules for conditional formatting. Select the element you want to format and click on the icon to add conditional formatting. In this example, the rectangle should be red when my machine is stopped, and my title should display the text error. For this, we select the text that is connected to the data source and create a new rule. If the status of the data source is error, the text should be red. I have already created a new font with my desired color in the Font Manager. Additionally, let's add an exclamation mark after the word error. Next, we add a new rule that should be executed when the status of the machine is running. Again, I adjust the font. Which formatting options you have depends on which element you are formatting. Lastly, we want to give the rectangle a red border when the machine is stopped. For this, select the rectangle and add a rule for the error status. Switch to the preview to see how your conditional formatting looks in real time. This way you can make sure that everything is displayed as desired.